Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to make a paper fingerboard. Paper fingerboards might not be as strong as normal fingerboards. They still work with normal tracks and normal wheels. You will need a glue stick, some clamps, a tech deck tool, a push pin, 2 tech decks, but I'm using circuit boards, 5 sheets of card, 4 centimeters by 10 centimeters, but you can choose the length depending on your decks, some scissors. Firstly, you want to glue your cards together. Once you've glued your cards together, you want to get your tech decks and squash the cards in the middle so they take the shape of the tech deck. Once you see the 2 tech decks are lined up, you want to clamp them together. Make sure to get both tech decks with the clamp. Now all you have to do is wait. After 2 to 3 hours, you take the clamps off and this is what it should look like. Now what you want to do is get your pin and push it through each of the 4 holes. Now what you want to do is get your tech deck tool and push it through all of the holes to make them wider. You can give them a bit of a twist. After you've finished widening the holes with the tech deck tool, this is what it should look like. Now you want to go around your tech deck with a pen so you know where to cut out. Now you have to cut it out. Now your paper fingerboard's complete. All you need to do is put some trucks and wheels on.